The Fisher ROC Ethernet Driver provides a reliable way to connect Fisher ROC Ethernet controllers to OPC client applications, including HMI, SCADA, Historian, MS, ERP, and countless custom applications. This driver supports communication via Ethernet and serial protocol. Read or write any device memory type as bit/word/table and do multiple register writes for recipe downloading etc. Custom properties. Windows make setting properties at design time a breeze. Manipulate communication port parameters for flexible communications or with modems. Built-in conversions for long, float, net component are very fast and also do not require significant Windows resources as OPC drivers or servers do. Features: extremely user-friendly. No software protection keys or disks. Complete context-sensitive help and built-in manual. Low Windows resource overhead. Works with Windows 2000, XP and Vista. Event-driven object-oriented programming. Methods: port open, refresh, compare info. Events: outcome, fires when a communication transaction completes. Throughput: reads 120 consecutive words in 130 ms. Cat. 19.2K. This product works with Visual Studio 2005 or any .NET component container application.